Stop scrolling and imagine this. You create a single file today, a planner, a checklist, a journal, and that file sells over and over again while you sleep. No stock, no ads, no talking on camera. Just smart, digital income. Sounds like a dream. It's not. Thousands of people in the US are already doing this, using nothing but free AI tools and platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Pay. In today's video, I'll walk you through how everyday people are making $50 to $5,000 per month, selling digital products created with AI, and how you can start today with $0 in your pocket. Right now, AI is your business partner. You don't need to be a designer, a writer, or a tech expert. With tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and Midjourney, you can build digital products in minutes. Think meal planners, budgeting sheets, wedding checklists, or daily gratitude journals. These aren't random ideas. They're top-selling categories that real buyers are searching for every single day. And the best part, you create them once, and they keep selling forever. Digital products have no shipping, no inventory, and nearly 100% profit margins. Most people think it takes money to make money. But in this model, all you need is creativity and a laptop. Start with a niche, moms, students, small business owners, and identify what they need. Use AI to generate content, design in Canva, and upload it to platforms that already have millions of visitors. You can be completely anonymous and still sell like crazy. I've seen templates for daily routines sell over 1,000 times. That's passive income from a PDF you built in under 30 minutes. Here's how to start. Step 1. Choose your audience. Let's say busy moms. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to list problems they face. Step 3. Turn one problem into a product. For example, meal planning. Ask ChatGPT to help you structure a weekly meal planner. Then go to Canva, apply a beautiful layout, and export it as a digital download. Step 4. Upload it to Etsy or Gumroad. Add some SEO keywords like meal planner for moms, and that's it. Your product is live and ready to generate income 24/7. What makes this model so powerful is the scalability. One product leads to another. A planner turns into a bundle becomes a shop, and soon you're building a brand. You can create themed collections, launch seasonal offers, or even add upsells like printable stickers or matching journals. And every product is built with AI, saving you time, effort, and stress. You're not hustling for every dollar. You're stacking digital assets that grow over time. Now, let's talk numbers. A single digital product can sell for $5 to $25. Sell one a day at $10 and you're making $3,000 per month. Sell 20 a day and you're hitting $6,000, all while keeping your identity private and your lifestyle flexible. This is why digital products are exploding on platforms like TikTok and YouTube. People want income that doesn't depend on trading, time for money. And now with AI, that dream is not only possible, it's scalable. You might be wondering, what if no one buys? The answer is, test and optimize. The same way you'd improve a YouTube thumbnail, you improve your product. Titles, descriptions, and previews. Use tools like Marmalade or eRank to find high-demand keywords. Look at top sellers and learn what they're doing right. Don't aim for perfection, aim for progress. Your first product is a launchpad, not your legacy. And here's the truth. The biggest barrier isn't tech, it's mindset. People think they need permission to succeed. You don't. You just need a plan, and now you have one. Take 48 hours to build and publish your first digital product. It doesn't have to be perfect. It has to be real. Because once you get your first sale, everything changes. You go from hoping to knowing. And from that point forward, you'll never look at money the same way again. Now, let's expand the vision. Imagine you create not just one product, but an entire suite. For example, a productivity pack for freelancers. You include a daily planner, time tracker, worksheet, and invoice template. Each file solves a specific problem, and together, they offer massive value. This makes your shop more attractive and increases your average order value. Instead of $10, you start selling bundles for $30, $50, even $75. That's the power of packaging. You can take it even further. Offer a limited time bonus to encourage early buyers. Maybe it's a private tutorial on how to use the product, or an exclusive printable only available for the first 100 customers. Use urgency and scarcity the same way major retailers do, ethically and effectively. You can also add social proof. Ask your first few customers for feedback and post their reviews in your listings. A single 5-star review can triple your conversion rate. So what's stopping you? AI has leveled the playing field. The tools are free, the buyers are online, and your ideas are valid. If you're still watching, it means this resonates with you, and you owe it to yourself to try. Subscribe to this channel if you want step-by-step videos breaking down each tool. Like this video if you believe knowledge should lead to freedom, and drop a comment that says I'm starting today. Because the only thing missing now is your action. Let's build your freedom, let's make it real, and let's start right now.